Hello everyone, this is PM Shalapani here. First of all, I would like to welcome you to my today's session. In this session, we are going to solve this problem. In my previous video, I have clearly explained about how to form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. In this video, we are going to form PDE again, but not by eliminating arbitrary constant method, but we are going to use by eliminating arbitrary function how to form PDE. Okay, this method we are going to use to form PDE. So definitely this method is also will be interesting to form PDE. So let's jump into solving this problem. Okay. So first, always we have to check what is the function is given. So here our function is z is equal to x y plus f of x square plus y square. This is our function, okay, in terms of x and y. So here our task is we need to eliminate the function, also we have to form the PDE. So eliminating arbitrary function means first we need to identify what is function. So here obviously this word f is called a function. So we need to eliminate this function, not by erasing or writing. So mathematically we need to eliminate this function, also we need to form PDE. So to form PDE, what is the condition? Our condition is we should have at least one derivative in our equation. Okay, if we have so, then it is called PDE. Okay, in order to achieve that, we are going to work out. So first, always write the given equation. As it is z is equal to xy plus f of x square plus y square. So you just mark it as equation number 1. So everything is same. Whatever the working procedure that we followed in the previous video, the same we are going to follow here also. Okay, except few steps. Okay, first we need to differentiate. We need to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x partially on both sides. Partially on both sides. So which means equation 1 has to be differentiated with respect to x. So I already clearly said how to differentiate. Okay. So when you differentiate your z with respect to x, what is your answer? It is dou z is divided by dou x. Right? Next, let us move to right hand side. On the right side, wherever we have x, it has to be differentiated with respect to x, right? So at the same time, we need to follow one more condition because this is partial differentiation. In partial differentiation, we will treat the other variable. Suppose if you are differentiating with respect to x, okay, while you have to treat the other variable y as constant, right? So this is the thing that also you need to follow while differentiating. Understand? Now let us come to differentiate the right side. So here we have x, okay? But the differentiation of x is 1, it is 1. 1 into the constant is the multiplication form, then we have to multiply. 1 into y is what? It is y. Right? Let's move to the another two, second two. Here, the differentiation of f is f dash. Right? Then x square plus y square. Understand? After you have done this, then we have to differentiate inside the bracket also by using chain rule. So inside the bracket, that is the answer of differentiation of inside the bracket has to be multiplied with this one. Okay, therefore into. So let us check whether how many in how many terms we are having x. So here we are having x here. We do not have x, so it is constant. When you differentiate constant, what is the answer? It is 0. So you can differentiate only here alone, right? So the answer of the differentiation of x square is what? It is 2x, right? So already in previous video, we have clearly expanded the dou z divided dou x can be renamed by t. Similarly, dou z divided dou y can be used by the name of q. So I'm going to use that results here. So dou z divided dou x can be renamed as p, right? So therefore p is equal to, what is the answer? Now it is 2 times x of y plus f dash of 2 times x y plus not y plus 2 times x of f dash of x square plus y square then plus 1, right? So from this, what you have to find out? So see, our task is we need to eliminate the function f, right? So I'm going to find out one result from this result. That is, I'm going to find out what is the value of f dash of x square plus y square. From this, then f dash of x square plus y square is going to be we can transform this y to this side, then it becomes p minus y is divided by what? When you take cross multiplication, it becomes 2x. So this is your first result. This is your first result. You just mark it as equation number 2, right? So whatever you have done so far, the same concept you are going to follow in the next step with respect to what? Y. Okay, let us see what the answer would be. So now differentiate equation 1 with respect to y partially on both sides. Partially on both sides. So what is the answer will be? The answer will be when we differentiate with respect to y, z becomes dou z is divided by dou y. Let us move to left side, right side. So right side here we have y and also in function we have y. So we need to differentiate both. When you differentiate y here, what is your answer? It is 1. So 1 times into x is what? It is again x. Plus, when you differentiate your function f with respect to y, it becomes f dash of x square plus y square. First, I already have said we need to differentiate inside the bracket also by using chain rule. So it becomes 2 times y because we have y only here. When you differentiate this one, your answer will be 2y. Here we do not have y. It is absolutely constant. So the differentiation of constant is what? 0. Right? So from this, we need to find out another result like what we have done here. Okay? So let us find one by one. So already we have a result, dou z divided by dou y, that is q. You can substitute your result here. So this one becomes q is equal to x plus f dash of x square y square into 2y. So from this result also I need to find out what is the value of f dash of x square plus y square. I'll let you know later why I am finding only this results, right? So first find the results. So f dash of x square plus y square is equal to, already we have q to the left side. So q, when we transform x to the left side, it becomes minus x. Then when you multiply your 2y to the left side, it becomes 2y in the denomination, right? So now we just mark it. This is equation number 3. Now your job is you need to substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Now substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. So what is the answer will be after substituting? What is the equation 1? This is equation 1. So it is z is equal to, so xy plus, what is f of x square plus y square, right? So that you need to find out, understand? So to find that, it means